Welcome to Summit Quiz. Can you guess your favorite logo just by their sound? Let's see if you're a true logo master. Can you guess the logo sound? That's Burger King. Listen carefully and guess. Nice guess. It's TikTok. Would you rather eat at Burger King or Taco Bell? Like if Burger King, or subscribe if Taco Bell. Which logo made this sound? It's Prime Video. Do you recognize this logo? Well done! It's Subway! Remember the position of all logos. Where is TikTok logo? It is at number 1. Guess the brand from this. Awesome! It's YouTube! Think you know this logo? You got it! It's Spotify! Which logo is real? Option B is the real one. Hear the sound and name it. It's Domino's Pizza. Which logo is hiding in here? Good ear! It's Pepsi. Find the odd one out. Sharp eyes if you get it. Can you identify this logo? It's McDonald's. Listen up. What logo is this? Excellent. It's Starbucks. Find 3 differences. Did you get them all? This sound belongs to which logo? It's Snapchat. Recognize this famous logo? Fantastic! It's Disney Plus. Guess the logo by emojis. You got it! It's Burger King. Your ears know this logo. Spot on! It's KFC. What logo makes this sound? It's Coca-Cola. Which logo is behind this illusion? That's Snapchat logo. Listen closely and guess. Brilliant! It's Netflix. Do you know this iconic logo? Right answer. It's Tubi. Pick one. Kick one. What did you pick? Reply in comments. Can you name this logo? Sweet guess. It's Oreo. Sound on. Which logo is it? Nicely done. It's Nestlé. Which famous logo is this? Option B is correct. Only true fans will guess this. It's Nintendo Switch. Listen and guess the logo. Amazing! It's Pizza Hut. What is your favorite fast food restaurant? Comment down your choice. You made it to the end. Subscribe and click here to play more fun challenges.